As you all know, me and my brother have our own tequila out. It's called Shout Out Tequila. That's what me and my sister is drinking in this video. I am also the owner of TCC Tiara's Crown Collection, the owner of the famous braid gel and styling glaze that you all see going around on TikTok and other social media platforms. So right here I am doing a style called the Crown. We're using number 613. Brand of hair is Rura. Expression right here, I'm showing you how I part the hair. I always pre-part before I do the style. That's so I can know that all of my braids is the exact same size. I like to make sure all of my braids falling directly on top of each other, just to keep it just make the look cleaner to me. So when I'm doing a braid, I always make sure I have 3 pieces, and I make sure my pieces is even. Like, I want my pieces to be even so my whole braid can be flat from start to finish. I don't like when it's crimps in a braid. And when you're doing the crown, it's only 2 rows all the way around. You have to make sure your braid down is flat as possible in the middle so you can get a much cleaner look. I'm oiling her scalp with my very own growth oil called grapevine oil. That's just to stimulate the scalp and make sure her scalp is hydrated while the bun is up. The product that I'm using now is another product from my line. It's called the Braid Foam. Here's the after style. Hope you enjoy it.